Hey there, it's Garda, and today we're going to show you how to exchange your Bitcoin to a BNB, also known as Binance Coin. First of all, open your Garda and make sure that Binance Coin is visible on your wallet. Then go to Exchange tab, choose your Bitcoin wallet, choose your Binance Coin wallet, choose the amount, make sure that everything is correct, and press Next. Then Garda Wallet will create a transaction which you need to confirm. And after confirming, you are done. Transaction has been sent, and you'll need to wait till the exchange will be completed. Binance Coin is a really useful coin, so good on you for choosing to exchange for it. Because Binance Coin can be used to pay for travel expenses, buy virtual gifts, shop using a credit card, and many more things. Anyway, you'll decide on how to use it. After some time, your transaction should be complete and the BNB coins should be on your Garda Wallet account. Congratulations on your successful exchange, and thank you for watching this Garda Wallet tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and Garda Wallet team wishes you good luck in your crypto journey.